Hi, so here's our 9x9 modular matrix switcher. Basically, on the front panel, we have a LCD screen here, and we can check out the switching status. Also, the other information by hit the menu button here. So if we hit the menu button, basically we can see we have different information show up. We have the setup. Setup, basically we can check out the IP address, the default IP address. So we have the IP1, 192.168.0.80, and we also have the IP2, including the gateway, everything information here. And if we go back to the back side of the matrix switcher, basically we can check out, we have the input cards, slots, and then we have the control card here, and we have line 1, line 2, and then the output card. And so right now I'm going to use my laptop to connect to the line 1, which is the default IP address is 192.168.0.80. So line cable connect to my laptop here, and I use the Type-C to the RJ45 connector just because this laptop didn't have the line port. So once we have this connection connected, and the first step we just need to make sure and we already have the IP address of this laptop changed to the same IP range with the matrix switcher, and the checkout from the properties TCP IP4, and here, and you can see the IP address of this laptop is 192.168.0.119, and the gateway is also .0.1. So we only need to change this part to be the same IP range of the matrix switcher. After we change it, then we just hit the OK button here. Then click yes, OK. Then we just go to the web browser, type the IP address of the matrix switcher here, 192.168.0.80. Hit the so basically right now we can see where you log in the matrix switcher web GUI. So what you can do the switchings. If we log out, and we will just jump to the home page, and we can hit the login button, and the username and password both are the same, admin. So this will log in the matrix switcher. So this is how we do the IP setting on the control PC and to control the matrix switcher from the web GUI. If we use the wireless and we have the line, such as we have a line 2 connected to the Wi-Fi router, then we just need to make sure and our PC is connected to the Wi-Fi router as well. Then need to do the same for the IP address setting, and we just go to the Wi-Fi. Then also same properties. Then we can change the IP address accordingly to manually, not use the automatic. Okay, so this is how we use the web GUI to control the matrix switcher. Thank you.